Hello everyone. Greetings from ASAR. I'm Dr. Jaydeep Malhotra, President ASAR. And today it really gives me a lot of happiness to announce that we are starting a series of webinars, Seed to Soil, which are going to come to you on every second and fourth Thursday from 3 to 4 p.m. Dear friends, we have almost 15% of our population which is subfertile, and only about 4% reach an ART specialist. Even when they reach any one of the infertility specialists, they really don't always get the right treatment. So let us look forward to our first webinar, which is titled Right Time, Right Choice, which will basically be engaging on patient selection. So we're really looking forward to each and every one of you joining us for these webinars. Thank you very much.